Hi, this is your second coding video for your to help support you in class with your computing work. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to uh, start the basis of your game by writing a question and making your sprite do something regarding on what answer was given. So if the answer was correct, it said a message, well done. If it was incorrect, you got a meow sound. Now, we're going to move on to the next stage of that now. And these videos are all about the coding. I'm not doing a background or making my own sprites. That's something that you've already learned in school. So this is going to help you code your sprites and do things with your game so that you can see what happens. So anyway, let's go and share the screen. And let's go on to my sprite. So this is where we left off in our last video. And just to show you, okay, so this is my code, okay, this is my programming, this is the coding that I'm doing. And when the little flag is clicked here, a question will come up and it will wait for me to put an answer in. If the answer is 8, then this message comes up and says, excellent, that is correct. It was 8 seconds, wasn't it? And then let's take that out because that shouldn't be there in a minute. And if something else, so if it was any other answer other than else 8, this played. So let's play the green button and see what happens. What is 4 plus 4? The answer is 8. Excellent, that is correct. We start again, just to check if I press 5. So if it's not, I got that meow sound. I don't know if you heard that or not. Anyway, so we're now going to extend on this. So that's just one question, but in your game, you may have several questions that you want to ask. So here we go. This is how we do it. What we're going to do, we are going to go to our control. We are going to wait, okay, for 2 seconds. And then we're going to re-put in this, okay, but we've got to do it all over again. So we're now going to ask another question. This question can be, how many sides, spelling right, how many sides does a triangle have? Okay, I'm then going to the control and it's the if and else. I put that in there. I'm then going to put in my operations. It's this one, I believe. So that's going to go, that's going to go in there. And the answer is 3, isn't it? Triangles have 3 sides. So if I get that correct, it's going to say, you're the master for 2 seconds. And if it's something else, I'm going to get that meow sound in again. Okay, so now let's check to see if that's working. So you can see here how I've got the same pattern. Okay, so we ask a question, if then else, you can see what's happened. And then once that question is done, we wait 2 seconds and then we repeat that process. So hopefully this is going to repeat when we play the game. So first question says, what's 4 plus 4? I put in 8. Excellent, that is correct. Now it's waiting quite a long time. Good, now my next question has come up. I'm now going to write the answer as 3. You're the master. Okay. Now, we had to wait a long time here. So now what we're going to do, this is called debug. Okay, so there we go. That's the video. I'm going to show you another video about debugging because I don't want you to get too confused. Okay, so that's how you do the code. Now the next video is going to show you how to debug, because debug in this we've got some problems and we need to correct them. Okay, and that's what debugging is. So in the next video, I'm going to debug this and then I'm going to move on to something else. All right, good luck. Play around with it at home. You can get onto it online, obviously, just by typing in Scratch in Google. All right, see you later, guys. Bye.